It started like any other morning. Toothbrush? Check. Sleepy face? Check. Talking fridge? Not on the checklist. I opened the fridge, and it opened its eyes. Banana, mouth, tomato, eyes. It said, "Put the toothbrush in." I didn't know why, but I listened. I reached forward to feed the fridge a toothbrush. He watched like it was the season finale. The toothbrush floated, glowing, spinning. He grabbed a pot like it was a helmet. I asked, "Is this breakfast or a boss fight?" Then the fridge levitated. We floated too. The toothbrush hovered like a prophecy. I knew. Breakfast was officially canceled. Then it all stopped. Boom. We hit the floor. The fridge smiled like nothing happened, and the toothbrush was in mayonnaise. We didn't speak for 5 minutes. He stared into nothing. I ate cereal with mayonnaise, and the spoon was hovering. He opened it again. No face, no voice, just groceries, except for one milk carton that looked way too confident. I picked it up. It had legs, and it ran. He pounced like a lion. We were officially chasing dairy. We lost the fight. To a milk box, he tied us up with spaghetti and drank himself. That's dark. He had enough. Grabbed a pan, stood like a warrior. I stood behind him, and so did fear. We did it. High five. Milk was conquered. The fridge approved with carrot thumbs. We thought it was over. Then someone knocked. He asked, "Can I interview the fridge?" And that's when it got weirder. They took the fridge, said it got a movie deal. I just wanted cereal. Now I need a new fridge and a lawyer.